With over 140,000 prisoners, Texas has the highest incarcerated population out of any state in the United States. So with such a high incarcerated population, it's important that all the prisoners have the right resources to educate themselves and prepare themselves for a life after prison. So, good morning, St. Edward students. My name is Michael Galindo, and I'm a core volunteer and sponsor here at Inside Books. Today I'm going to be telling you guys why you should volunteer at Inside Books, give you some background on who we are and what we do, and let you guys know why we need to move to a new location to improve our operations. So I ask that you please silence your cell phones and hold your questions until the end of my presentation. And I'll begin. So Inside Books was started in 1998, and from that point till around 2009, we operated just about anywhere we could find space to until 2009, when we found Space 12 in East Austin, and it's a community activity center, and that's where we hold our operations now. And what we do there is we have a library that consists of donated books and books that we purchase on clearance from any cheap book place, and we have the volunteering go on there. We make packages of books for prisoners after we receive their requests through letters, and then we package those up, get those sent out in a few days, and that's what we do there. And in 2014, we received over 18,000 letters from prisoners asking for books, and we sent out over 35,000 books that year. So that shows how big of an operation this is. It's not just a small thing, it's really a big operation that we need help with. So with such a big process, it kind of moves into my next point, which is that the space that we're currently operating in is just not big enough. As you can see on the handout, there's a photo of the space. That's about half of it, and there's another half about the same size, and it's just not big enough for what we're doing right now. In fact, when I recently volunteered, so many people arrived that they actually had to request people to leave because there just wasn't enough room for everybody, to accommodate everybody. So we had to request people to leave, but eventually we found enough tables and chairs for people to work. But it's clear that we need to move to a new location so we can have more volunteers. And so what I'm proposing is that we move to a new central location in central Austin. And what that will do for us is offer more exposure, because central Austin is more densely populated, and that will result in more support, which is more books being donated, more volunteers, and a larger library, more funds, and it'll make our operations easier. So what you can do to help is just volunteer. Volunteer hours are every Thursday and Sunday from 7 o'clock to 11 p.m. And we have every second Monday of the month a session from 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. And what you're going to be doing is just, you get a letter, and it's a letter from a prisoner. They say what kind of books they're interested in, or what they would like specifically, and you go to the library, see something that would fit their needs, and you package those up, and then you write a letter back saying what the package includes, and then they get that sent out in the next few days. So what I like about Inside Books is that it's a really personal connection that you feel with the prisoners, because you read these letters and you see what they want to make of themselves after prison, and it's a really touching experience. And it's also a unique experience because it's the only program in Texas that does this. So that's why you should volunteer for us. So in conclusion, I think volunteering here at Inside Books would be a great opportunity for you guys. It'd be a great experience for you guys, and you really help out the community. And my vision for the future is that with more support, we can continue to expand and improve the lives of prisoners throughout Texas, and hopefully expand throughout the country and make this a nationwide thing. So I thank you guys for your time.